Hi guys and most welcome to my YouTube channel Kidzstars. Hope you all are fine and doing great. In this video you will see the Keemokazi looks happy to enjoying fun in the zoo with animals. So guys, make sure you watch this video till the end. If you haven't, don't forget to subscribe our channel. So let's enjoying the video. Keemokazi enjoying fun with animals in zoo.
Holy shit!
So guys, thanks for watching this video. In this video you will see the Keemokazi looks happy to enjoying fun with little animals in zoo. Hope you guys will like this video. If you like it, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. See you in the next video. Till then, and take care. Bye bye.